back to the Williams fam. Oh man, so last night was a bit of a crazy storm. Don't mind my hair. Hair is looking crazy as always, but that's okay. That's okay. You get to see my beautiful face and my smile. Just focus on that part. Oh my gosh. So I'm just here to let you guys know. Oh, I don't even know if I put it in the last vlog, but the interview that we had went so well. Our host, she was amazing. We had a lot of laughs, and yeah, it was just like just a nice moment. And I can say, yeah, the interview went really good. I will let you guys know. We're waiting to see when the our episode is going to drop. So she says she will let us know when our episode will drop. So then I guess you guys could probably go and check it out if you as well. So I will definitely, yeah, I'll let you guys know if you, for those that do want to know. So yeah, it was, so we finished that last night. We didn't even end up doing too much, as I stated and ended the vlog. I am just here. Well, hubby's gone to work and it's just me and the kids. I'm trying to figure out what to eat. I don't know, I have some leftovers, but I don't know what I want to eat. I don't know what I want to eat currently. So, and I guess the kids are still sleeping. It's almost after, what time is it? It's 11:30. Well, 11:40. They're up in their room anyways. I don't know what they're up there doing, but just came downstairs. I have some stuff, some paperwork and stuff I gotta get to and look about, so I gotta get that done. I got a couple of business calls I gotta make, so I also have to get that done. So I'm just trying to figure out my day, even though my day started, I've been up a long time ago. I'm just trying to now fully get things up and in the swing. Look at that, that's so crazy. Mario's birthday balloon, it's still up. It's still up. Crazy, huh? But that's okay. I just figured that when it fully die, I'll just throw it out. When it's not floating anymore, that'd be the time to throw it away. But I'm trying to see what is in here. I don't know. I have so much meat in the fridge. These kids. Some days I just want to, what is it? Okay. Oh, that's something different. That can go back in the fridge. I don't want that meat. But I'm about to go have lunch. I thought about going to go get some Popeyes, but if I go get Popeyes, I literally have to sneak out of the house and I would have to go have my Popeyes on road. I have to go have my Popeyes on the road because, you know, if the kids would want some too. But yet they're not up, but they would still want the stuff. Oh, okay, I'm gonna have this. I wonder if this is good. I gotta clean out this fridge. So I'm gonna go put some food together and I guess I will chat with you guys in a bit. So I'm actually here seasoning up some wings. Yes, guys. The kids them said they want a little bit of wings, so I'm here and I use my marinated sauce and I just added some more browning to it, so it gives it that darker flavor, because I went lightly on the marinated sauce. When I put the browning in the marinated sauce, I didn't put that much, just in case if I wanted to make curry as well, I could also do that. So I am here just mixing up these wings. Yes, so I'm gonna throw them, so I'm gonna put them in this container here, and then yeah, I'm gonna throw them in the oven. I have the oven heated to 350. Yes, 350. I have the oven heated to, so that is pretty much what I'm doing. I'm just throwing on some wings because I have enough leftover food and stuff like that that we can still eat for dinner, because now is not the time to be wasting. Well, there's never a time where you should be wasting food. There's too much people in this world that go hungry and die of hunger every day, because they don't even have a proper meal to eat. So I always teach my kids, don't waste. You have leftovers, you put it in the fridge. If you don't feel like having it the next day, you could have it in the day after, whether you fry it up or whatever, based on what it is. Just try and reuse it. So, and then I have the sauce. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna pour the sauce all over here. And then I am going to put it in the oven. So I'm gonna stick it in the oven, and then I'm gonna let this cook on 350 for about maybe 45 minutes to an hour. And then, yeah, the wings should be done. So now I need to take my mad head and mad self upstairs and go take a shower and fix up myself. Yeah, because hubby's on his way home, and we have a couple of places that we need to go. So I'm going to get myself showered now and get myself together. And oh, I have a vlog uploading for you guys, so it's coming, it's coming. It should be up in the next, well, it will be uploaded in the next 15 to 20 minutes. So that is good. So I am going to go and do that. And I took my nails off. Ugh. Yeah, I took them off. I don't know, maybe I'll get them done another day. I took them off. Right now I feel like, because I haven't had nails on in so long, they're pretty much getting in my way of when I want to do things. So yeah, and those ones were, those nails too, they were just the ones, but a good thing, they are reusable. See, so I could reuse them. They yeah, those were the ones that you get and you can do them yourself. So, and you just glue them on yourself and stuff like that. And you see, you guys would have not even know that I didn't actually went and actually to a nail tech and got them done. So, but yeah, those are pretty good. Maybe next time I'll get a fancier design, but I'm going to go and shower now and get myself together. I'm gonna go clean the bathroom as well. So I'm gonna go do that. I know, you see, I'm back in this room in this darkness, and this is not good, because I find that when these are the things that put people into like that semi-depression state of mind as well, when there's not that much going on, and then you're in the room in darkness, and it's just, you know, and then you're just there and you're thinking and stuff like that. As like when I was back home, I open up the windows. I get up at like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, always early. I'm always up early, and the sun just beams in and the curtains are open, and I just love sitting out on my, you know, I just love sitting out in my on my veranda back home and stuff like that. And those are the things like you just miss, sitting under the banana tree and just reasoning. Like, those are the simple things in life that, you know, it's crazy how so much of us take that for granted. And I always tell people back home, oh no, always they run from no country and they run come a foreign, and what you see on TV is not what over here is portrayed to be. But you see, a lot of people sorry, their mindset, they will never understand what it's like until they literally come here. They say visiting here and living here is two different things. And like I always tell people back home, I'm like, you know how easy you guys have it? I want to have it much easier than people here, right? The main problem where I find back home is just the economy needs to be built up more, right? And more of the money need to stay in the country, right? Because like you do know, like there's the Chinese, them that are live down there, and pretty much I think Chinese anywhere they live, and Indians, generally they don't leave that money in that country where they live. They resonate, they live there, but they work there, they get their money there, spread it around their community. It goes around their community at least 13 to 15 times. That money's passed around within the Chinese community before it goes back to China, right? To whether it's investing in something in their homeland. And this is why their economy is more built than a lot of other economy. And it's the same thing with Indians. They generate their money a little bit less, not up to 14, but maybe 10 times they generate in their community around other Indians in their culture people, and then their money also go back to their country to help build up certain wealthy parts in their community as well. And this is the thing that I say, like, a lot of people, but I could also do this, you know what, I wish I should sit down and I should go live and we should talk about that, like investment and stuff like that, in a different vlog. Yeah, in either a vlog or a live. Let me know if you guys would like to actually have a live just to sit down and talk about that. Because a lot of people always say, oh, you know, a lot of people turned their backs on their country and said, oh, they would never do this and they never do that. But do you all see what's going on in the world? Right? You see there's a lot of things going on in the world right now. And I always say, never turn your back on where you were born and bred, and you know, because yes, a lot of people, they have to turn their back because some of them, they do some wrongdoings and they can't go back to where they came from. So regardless of the tough times that they're over here or in the States or the UK they're going through, they could never go back to their home country, but they do have the option to go to a different island, right? So, and if you realize there's a lot of people that are buying up real estates, they're the hotels that are building down there. There's a lot of people down there, and like all the money that's coming into as well Jamaica with those big hotels down there, that money does not stay in Jamaica, right? There's a lot of them that they're from like the Spanish countries and stuff that owns hotels down there, and that money does not stay within. And this is why the Jamaican economy is bad, and that's something that the government needs to have a better agreement on. He also needs to look out for his people. You can't just look out to line your pockets alone and not help your people and help build your country, right? Because, and this is why a lot, see here me going into politics, and this is, me don't like really go into all them something here. So let me go and shower and I will. So hubby got home and we are heading out, and as usual he's waiting on me patiently. Oh look, he's sitting there in the car. He's sitting there in the car. Aww. I need a popsicle. I wonder if I can hijack a popsicle to the freezer. Oh, these things don't seem to be frozen. Okay. Are you gonna say hi to everybody?
Hi to everybody.
It's your face. So we snuck out of the house and we left the kids them.
As always.
As always, nah. The kids them don't want to come out anyways. We just want to get out, just go have some you and me time.
We don't want to come out, You're not out here?
I know, there's hardly anything to do out here anyways. But still, just even go sit down underneath one tree.
I come from work now, more sleep. It's around 7 o'clock.
Really, babes? A whole lot of meds, because there's not much, there's definitely not much to do. Can go for a little ice cream or something, but that's pretty much it.
Really? Give me that.
First I know this is really love, cause baby me feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, I'll show you, cause everybody needs somebody.